Welcome to this Fixit Tech News channel, and Netflix. Netflix is clearly the biggest, most popular video streaming service around. We have just learned that Netflix has passed 200 million paid members in 2020. And we can imagine that one of the things that made it easy for that to happen was the fact that so many people were confined, stayed at home, or even worked from home. That means that, well, what do? You got to watch something. Well, Netflix was part of it, probably. And if we look at the numbers, the fourth quarter alone, 8.5 million new subscribers. And over the whole year, 37 million new subscribers. So this is pretty amazing. Of course, there's a lot of more competition coming now with new services from like Disney, for example, and so on. And many channels now offer also streaming online of their own content, like HBO, for example. So this is pretty cool that for them that it's still going really, really well. And it's kind of nice to see that it's still growing and that they are having a good run, a good year. As Netflix is now getting more and more competition around this. But according to data from Google, of the top 10 searches for TV shows were on Netflix, but only 20% of the top 10 movies were on the platform. So, they still have a lot of other services and that have movies that are not on Netflix that are, very popular, as you see. So, 200 million subscribers, that's pretty incredible for Netflix. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.